Pansy Granny Square Crochet Tutorial. Materials needed: magic ring, round 1, chain 1, does not count as a stitch. Work 12 single crochets, SC, into the ring. Place a stitch marker on the first SC and the last SC. After completing the round, tighten the ring. At the end of each round, slip stitch into the first stitch to join. This does not count as a stitch, so pull tight. Cut the yarn and weave the tail to the back. Round 2. Join the dark blue yarn in the first stitch of the previous round. Chain 3. In the second stitch, work 3 treble crochets. Watch the demonstration for the technique. After completing the 3 stitches, chain 3, then slip stitch into the third stitch. This completes one petal. Slip stitch into the next stitch to start the next petal. Each petal occupies 3 stitches for a total of 4 petals. Round 3. Join the light blue yarn in the slip stitch space between 2 petals from the previous round. Chain 3. In the gap between the chain 3 and the treble crochets of the previous round, work 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 treble crochet. Next, work on the 3 treble crochets from the previous round. Chain 1, work 2 double treble crochets in the first treble crochet. Chain 1, work 3 double treble crochets in the second treble crochet. Chain 1, work 2 double treble crochets in the third treble crochet. Chain 1. Then, in the gap between the chain 3 and the treble crochets, work 1 treble crochet, chain 1, then 1/2 double crochet. Finally, chain 3 and slip stitch in the space between the 2 slip stitches of the previous round. This completes 1 petal. Repeat the same method for a total of 4 petals. Round 4. Join the white yarn at the treble crochet of the previous round. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. In the next petal's treble crochet, work 1 double crochet. Chain 5. On the middle stitch of the 3 double treble crochets from the previous round, work 1 double crochet 2 together, chain 2, work 1 treble crochet 2 together, chain 2, work 1 double crochet 2 together. chain 5. This completes 1 petal. Repeat the same method for a total of 4 petals. For the next petals, do not replace the first double crochet with chain 3. Work it normally. Round 5. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, then work 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Next, work 8 double crochets in order. If the previous round was a chain, work directly into the chain space. On the treble crochet, 2 together from the previous round, work 3 double crochets. Then, work 8 double crochets in order. This completes 1 petal. Repeat the same method for a total of 4 petals. Cut the yarn. Round 6. Join the blue yarn in the first stitch of the previous round. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch, then work 11 single crochets in order. At the middle stitch of the 3 double crochets from the previous round, work 3 single crochets. Finally, work 9 single crochets in order. This completes 1 petal. Repeat the same method for a total of 4 petals. Cut the yarn and demonstrate how to weave in the ends.